This is Ready, Set, Go, where we're gonna put your DIY skills to the test in today's challenge. Let's meet our contestants. Tell us a little bit about yourself, your engagement, your wedding plans, anything you want our viewers to know.
My name is Allie.
And I'm Sam.
And we're getting married in September. And we're from Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada.
My name is Lillian. I'm actually getting married on September 28th to my high school sweetheart, and I'm super excited about it.
My name's Carissa. I got married on April 28th to the love of my life, New Orleans inspired wedding, and it was perfect.
Ladies, in front of you, you're going to find everything you need to make the perfect wedding welcome bag, but there is a catch. Not only have we placed some rogue and random items to throw you off in the mix when you're stuffing them, you're also going to be timed during each stage. We're gonna give you 1 minute to decorate those bags. Choose a cool theme, choose a cool style, make it really reflect you. And then you're gonna have only 10 seconds to stuff those bags. Finally, it's not over yet. You're going to have to pitch me on why your wedding welcome bag is the best. Is everyone ready?
Yes. Ready.
Yes.
Ready, set, go, decorate.
No, dang it. Wait, I don't need to cut that.
Guys, does anyone have a strategy? Is anyone willing to talk to me?
No.
Or are we just heads down?
No.
I feel like some of us came in with a plan.
Oh, it worked.
One pair of scissors. We're getting creative.
That's not what I instructed you to do.
I messed up. Sounds like a divorce is coming.
That's it. All right, time. That's time.
I didn't do it right, apparently.
The bags are decorated. Now it's time to stuff them. We're gonna have only 10 seconds to stuff those bags. Remember, it's a wedding welcome bag, so it's for your guests. Ready, set, go.
It's so silent. Where's the Advil?
Just the finishing touches. Don't forget, I know one of our teams wanted to add one finishing touch on their bag. Oh, your bags are completed. Now it's time to pitch me and let me know what's in your bag and what makes it special. So, Allie and Sam, why don't you start us off?
So you had a long flight, a long day. You arrive at your hotel. You're probably a little bit stinky, so you've got some deodorant.
Just in case you forgot anything, we wanted to have those basics included.
Yes. You probably need to brush your teeth, so you have a toothbrush and toothpaste. But if you don't need to brush your teeth, you can also use a mouthwash.
Wow, your wedding guests are gonna have fresh breath.
They are. They probably are also a little bit greasy from the plane. So they have.
So you guys leaned into the
dry
personal
shampoo.
care items.
Self-care.
Yeah,
but
that's
we
self-care.
also included a few little nice gifts like
Yeah.
mouthwash and a bracelet.
You might need to refresh with a sheet mask.
Implying that they smell.
You might be crying at the wedding, so you need
Yes.
some tissues.
Love it.
Also, you can't get hangry before dinner, so there's a couple little snacks to keep in your purse.
I need that.
Some Band-Aids in case you get a blister from your heels. Some immunity things for the next day.
For the next
No hangovers.
Like it?
No red wine spills on your dress. A little snack. Finally, some
Smallest snack I've
Pepto-Bismol.
ever seen.
And another
Keep it in your
Band-Aid
pocket.
for your other heel.
Well, perfect. Gotta have two. Can you guys walk us through the design of the bag? I see some details on the sides. Tell me your thought process.
Well, something blue. Something borrowed to mimic grandmother's pearls.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Something
I
old,
understand.
some ribbons, and something new is the
The
bag.
hashtag.
Yeah, hashtag's new.
All right, thank you, Allie and Sam. Next up, we have Carissa and Lillian. Can you guys walk me through your bag, please?
Sure, we're gonna start with the outside. You know, simple and elegant. We say welcome in this beautiful handwriting, and our wedding hashtag is at the bottom. Watts out for the Youssefis. My maiden name is Watts.
Mine is Youssefi.
That is very
Oh,
clever.
that's good.
And only 45 seconds.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, and the ribbon was a last minute thing. That's
Last minute
nice
touch.
detail.
Just a little touch to make sure it's complete and closed.
Yeah.
So inside,
We start off with water first to make sure you're hydrated throughout the day. And then obviously mouthwash.
Okay.
You want to make sure you have fresh breath. Just in case necessary, we also have a toothbrush.
Okay.
we wanted to show our personality. You know, so
Batman, yeah.
Toothbrush.
For any age.
This is for the end of the evening. We all know how it's like to have makeup all day, so you can just use this on the way when you go home.
This is a new lipstick from our line, actually, that we are surprising our guests that we're coming out with the lipstick line. So
Wow.
we wanted them to be the first to have it.
I love it.
When you're ready to party, when the lights go down at midnight, everybody has this, so make sure to take them out.
And you will need sunglasses and Advil for the next day because our wedding is going to be such a good time.
So if you could pick, what's the theme of the bag? I feel like Allie and Sam self-care.
Ours is party, you know, party and preparation.
Party and okay.
Make sure you're ready to party, and then you're ready afterwards.
A little emergency. We don't want you to get sick. You know, after your hangover, we need your immune system up.
I love that stuff.
Snacks, sometimes you just create a little bit of chocolate, sweet. Can't forget the toothpaste. And then for the men, if you want to wash your beard, the girls just can't wipe their makeup off. They have to take care of that.
Also, this is from our new line.
Wow, lipstick and a
Yeah,
beard
you know,
wash.
something for the guys, something for the ladies.
Yeah. So the bags are done. Now it's time for me to pick the winner. Drum roll, please. I'm gonna have to pick Allie and Sam for the most cohesive bag.
Wow! Good job. Good job.
So we have these gorgeous macarons. I hope you enjoy. And then our second place, guys, you're not gonna go empty-handed. 2 gold stars.
Wow.
Congratulations, and thank you guys for playing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us on the show.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and check back in for more episodes of Ready, Set, Go. And leave in the comments below who you think's bag should have came out on top.